In addition to what is happening around your well, proper siting and construction of a private well are both important aspects to drinking water quality protection.
In the Department of Environmental Management promulgated rules that went into effect in January 1990 that govern the installation of private drinking water wells. And they do a couple of things. They created minimum qualifications for the contractors that can do that work, which includes well drillers as well as pump installers. They also established minimum siting standards for where you should put a new well to be constructed. And they also created regulations for the construction standards of the well, how to properly construct it so that it will prevent particularly surface water from infiltrating the well and causing a problem later. The whole system was set up to improve the reliability for the consumer, I think, of the wells going in. At this point in time, we have over 40 contractors that are registered, and that list is available on the DEM website. The contractors are from Massachusetts and Connecticut as well as Rhode Island. And so we would encourage anybody who's thinking of installing a well or having a well repaired to work with a properly registered driller. One of the things the regs require is the driller have some minimum qualifications in terms of their own professional testing on the type of drilling that they do, whether it's bedrock or sand and gravel kind of installations. So you'll be working with somebody properly qualified by the state to do that work when you use a registered contractor. DEM regulations require that a well log be filed and completed for each well that's installed, and it also covers repairs that essentially are like a new well. The records for those are kept on hand at DEM. The well log has information about the depth of the well, the depth of the casing, the type of sediment, subsurface material the well was installed in. It also has important information on the results of what is called a yield test to give the homeowner some idea of the yield of the well, and siting information on the well. And so since 1990, the department has been collecting those records in our office. They're also often available at the town level. We also have the historical records that were filed voluntarily before 1990. So homeowners, if you have an existing well but you don't have any record of how it was installed, you can contact us to see if we have a record on hand. And it's important for a homeowner to be aware of the type of well that's on their property and the type of material that it's been installed in, whether it's a bedrock well or a sand and gravel type well.
In addition to proper construction and location, regular testing of a private well is important for protecting you and your family's health. Many common contaminants are odorless, tasteless, and colorless. The only way to know if they are in your drinking water is to have it tested.
I think one of the most important things that private well owners can do to protect their well is to have it tested on a regular basis.